subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo A55 5G back in January this year, the company is now reportedly gearing up to launch its 4G model. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster EV Leaks. According to leaks, the Oppo A55 4G is seen to feature a flat screen with a small bezels on the edges, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is visible to have a triple camera setup in a rectangular model at the top left corner, including LED flash, and it is clearly noticeable to have one 50-megapixel primary camera. The volume rockers can be seen on the left edge, while on the right appears to have an fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button. The upcoming smartphone is expected to pack with a massive 5000 mAh battery that will support 18-watt fast charging. And according to 91 Mobiles, it is also suggested to come in black, green and Aurora blue color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Oppo A55 4G has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo A55 4G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.